Hello everyone, welcome to online session. The topic is optical instrument, BSc 4th semester, session 5th. Let us study about optical instrument, circle of leads confusion, a measure of lateral chromatic aberration. Learning objectives are to know about the optical instrument, understand the application of optics, condition for achromatic of two lenses placed in contact. Session outcome is the condition for achromatic of two lenses placed in contact. Prerequisites are optics, spherical and chromatic aberration, methods of spherical aberration and chromatic aberration. Let us discuss about condition for achromatic of two lenses placed in contact. In figure, let a concave lens C made of chrome glass and concave lens F made of flint glass in contact as achromatic combination. Let mu b, mu r and mu b dash, mu and mu r dash represent the refractive indices for blue, yellow and red rays of light of two material of the lenses. Let FB, FR and FB dash, F dash, FR dash are corresponding focal length of two lenses and W and W dash are the dispersive power of chrome and flint glass respectively. Let R1 and R2 be the radii of curvature of the chrome glass lens and R1 dash and R2 dash be the radii of curvature of flint glass lens. Let us consider equation 1. There are two types of lenses. One is flint glass and another one is chrome glass. Here we get mu b, mu r and mu b dash, mu dash, mu r dash. Also we observe that FB, FR, FB dash, FR dash are the focal length of the two different types of lenses. Then using lens maker's formula, we can write the chrome glass lens 1 by f is equal to bracket mu minus 1 into bracket 1 minus r1 minus 1 by r2. We get 1 by 1 minus r1 minus 1 minus r2 is equal to 1 by mu minus 1 into f, considered equation 1 for yellow ray. 1 by fr for red ray, mu r minus 1 bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. We get mu r minus 1 divided by mu minus 1 into f. Consider equation 2 for red rays. And finally, third equation is for ray. 1 by fb is equal to mu b minus 1 divided by mu minus 1 into f. In the same way, for the flint concave lens, we can write 1 by f dash is equal to mu minus 1 bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. We get 1 by mu dash minus 1 into f dash. Considered equation 4 as yellow ray. 1 by fr dash is equal to mu r dash minus 1 divided by mu dash minus 1 into f dash. Equation 5th. For blue rays, we get mu b dash minus 1 divided by mu dash minus 1 into f. Equation number 6. If fb and fr denote the focal length of the combination for blue and red rays of O light, then we can write 1 by fr is equal to 1 by fr plus 1 by fr dash is equal to mu r minus 1 divided by mu minus 1 f plus mu dash r minus 1 mu dash minus 1 into f dash, considered as equation number 7. Similarly, 1 by fb is equal to mu b minus 1 divided by mu minus 1 into f plus mu b dash minus 1 whole divided by mu dash minus 1 into f dash as equation 8. For the combination to be achromatic, the focal lengths of fb and fr must be equal. Thus, fr is equal to fb or 1 by fr is equal to 1 by fb. We get mu b minus 1 whole divided by mu minus 1 f plus mu b dash minus 1 divided by mu dash minus 1 into f dash. Mu b minus 1 divided by mu minus 1 f minus mu r minus 1 whole divided by mu minus 1 into f plus mu b minus 1 divided by mu dash minus 1 into f dash minus mu r dash minus 1 divided by mu dash minus 1 into f dash is equal to 0. We get mu b minus 1 mu b minus mu r divided by mu minus 1 into f dash plus mu b dash minus mu r dash whole divided by mu dash minus 1 into f dash is equal to 0. Using mu b minus mu r divided by mu minus 1 considered as omega and mu b dash minus mu r dash divided by mu dash minus 1 as considered omega dash, we get omega by f plus omega dash by f dash is equal to 0. We get omega by f is equal to minus omega by f dash is equal to f dash is equal to minus f of omega dash whole divided by omega is equation 9. F dash is equal to minus f of omega dash by omega. Since omega and omega dash are positive quantities, f dash is negative if f is positive. Thus, if Crown glass is used to make convex lens, then flint glass must be concave. The ratio of the dispersive power of the material of the lenses must be equal to the ratio of the focal length of the two lenses. Recap: condition for achromatic of two lenses placed in contact. Questions: the ratio of the dispersive power of the material of the lenses must be equal to the ratio of the dash of the two lenses. Option: focal length, diameter, principal focus, none of the above. Option 1 is focal length. Answer is focal length. The distance between the optic center and principal focal of the lens is dash. Focal length, pole, principal axis, none of the above. Answer is focal length. The distance between the optic center and principal focus of the lens is focal length. Thank you.